I got an interesting 5G play here that looks to be where an institution just took a long-term or a longer-term bullish position that pans out into April, where they're looking for a big move to occur in the next 260 days. So let's take a look here at Infinera, and this is a stock that is on its tail end here. It's at $6.26, and the low back in March was $3.68. Now, 5G plays, I am very bullish on. I think this is where money rotates into. 5G over the last few months has been put aside on the back burner just with the lockdown and everything else, but 5G continues to roll out, and 5G is where things are going, and that's where the puck's going. So a lot of 5G plays I'm very bullish on, and this would be one of them. So it's interesting when I see this activity here, because this is a institution or a hedge fund taking a bullish position, and that's the type of activity, these high impact trades that I want to follow. So take a look here at this option montage. We'll take a look here. So I did say 260 days. It's 219 days to this April expiration. But we'll take a look here at this positioning here. So if we just take a look here at and we look at the top trades here. So this was a combo trade. This is a bullish combo. What they were positioning here is they sold these 5 puts and they purchased the 8 call. 10,000 contracts just like that. One order. So they sold the puts at 70 cents and they bought the calls at $1.02. So that creates a 32-cent debit. So for 32 cents, they are bullish and they are looking for prices to go back above $8, if not higher. So what they're looking to do here is very strategic. This is investing with options with strategy. Now, what they're looking to do on this position is potentially take they're selling the puts. So let's say in the next 219 days, it doesn't really pan out to be where they thought. Well, they're collecting premium on the puts. They sold the puts, and they would take shares at $5 a share. Now, to them, that probably is a bargain if it's at $6.26, and they would take it. This is a bullish position where if 219 days doesn't pan out, they have that position, they'll take on that position, and if it's at $5, they'll take on the stock. Now, they probably will roll this. If this is what I've seen before, they'll roll this position, but theoretically, that's at this juncture, that's exactly what this is. Now, buying the 8 call means that at $6.26, we have to have prices go up another $1.75 plus. Now, the debit is at 32 cents, so we have to go up to $8.32 for them to break even within the next 219 days. Now, these smaller 4-character symbol stocks have a lot of momentum. So $9.25 was the previous high, and this was all the way back in August here. So this could be a stock where there is a lot of volatility here. But what they're looking to do is to take on that position, build a position here, and this is 10,000 contracts. So they're taking a meaningful position here. So this is somebody that has deep pockets, and they're building a position. This is probably going to show up on someone's reporting coming up here on their on some kind of firm's positioning, because this is a pretty meaningful position when you look at it on a notional value. So when I look at this in the next 219 days, this is a stock, 5G play that I like. And this is actually a really interesting play in a nice position here for somebody to follow along and play a more strategic approach with this specific stock. One other way you could look to do this as well is you could buy the stock and then sell that call against it, sell other calls against it as well. But for 5G, and it's also an interesting positioning play by somebody that's either done some deep research or is very bullish on this specific name.